Here I have BLACKVIEW BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, let's open contacts list, then select contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon, then select if you want to take photo or to select one from the gallery, then select the photo. Here you can adjust this photo and then tap save copy and then save. And as you can see, photo to contact added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.